Hello everyone, my name is Chimi Kankari and welcome to Most Beautiful Self Always, MOBC for short. This is an encouraging community of women who continually improve, love and respect ourselves. In this beautiful community, we are very ambitious, so we always strive to improve ourselves. We strive to be like the biblical Proverbs 31 woman who has good judgments, who is very industrious, who is financially suave, who is physically fit, who is confident in herself and in her work, who is secure about herself and her work, and who sets goals and achieves those goals. On this channel, we set yearly goals and take on yearly self-improvement journeys. We adopt diverse and holistic ways to create, express, feel and see beauty. We motivate each other to be successful in our goals. We share ideas of products and habits that help us attain success. We inquire into what is considered beautiful, and we define what we want in our lives to make us be our most beautiful selves. As we lean into our most beautiful selves in several areas of our lives, we close the door to insecurity, self-hate, self-doubts, and any negative feeling that brings ugliness into our lives. Insecurity, self-hate, self-doubt are holding many women back from achieving their fullest and their most beautiful lives. However, we were not born with any of those ugliness. So why do we let them in? Let us use this channel to improve ourselves, learn to love ourselves, and be everything we're created to be, which is nothing less than our most beautiful selves, nothing less than being phenomenal. If you believe this message, join this community of very ambitious and goal-oriented women. I'll see you later in my upcoming videos. Bye for now.